This is not a toy and is for adult use only. Hopefully it's a big explosion. Kapow! Happy holidays! Or are you sitting there going,
this is way too early, just stop it.
is it too early to be talking about holiday gifts for your family or your spouse or your loved ones or your kids? I am here to tell you that it is not, for a lot of reasons, but one big one is that especially here in America, a lot of items are stuck in the ocean on boats and they are not coming here. It is a real thing. In today's video, we're going to review a product that I think is something that if you're looking for something for your family, this could be it. Let me go get it. This is it. This is the LG Cord Zero. They sent us the latest and greatest of a stick vacuum, and it has some really cool features that my wife does not know about yet. We built our dream home and it is quite large. We do a lot of vacuuming in our house. You probably have seen that over the last few years. We did not get the vacuum that's like pre-plumbed into your house because we like to be able to carry it all around. And there's a few things that we've learned that we need as features that this vacuum actually has, which is why it's the first of the holiday gift videos that we're sharing with you of different ideas that you may want. So we will also talk about what kind of things do our kids want for Christmas. They've already given us some ideas and some things that they want. We'll talk about that in a little bit. But first, we need to unbox this, get it set up, and then show it to Leslie and have a little test. I want to make a mess. Okay, we've got some things in here. Pillow stuffing, cereal. What is this? Ugh. Coffee. We don't drink coffee in our house. And then my favorite, sprinkles. What is this? I think this is one of those confetti things that you pull and it shoots. Do you think that's what it is, Hunter?
I think so.
Okay, we can't let Leslie know about this. This is not a toy and is for adult use only. When launching, direct upward and away from the face and body. Yeah, this is gonna be good. She's not gonna see this coming. I love this. Thank you, LG, for sending this. Does not wanna come out. It's all set up. So there's a few things with this that you're seeing right now that you maybe don't see with other stand-up vacuums. I would show you the other ones that we have, but they're like inside of a closet. When you open the closet, sometimes the stand-up stick vacuums fall out of the closet and fall over and ding up the walls. It legitimately happens probably once every couple weeks, but I'm not the expert here. I'm not the one that does the majority of the vacuuming in here. I'd say I do less than 7% of the vacuuming in our house, maybe less than 5%. Okay, we've set it all up right here. This is not gonna be the final place that we put it. We're gonna put it away in the closet in the room. The next part is I need to take this and surprise Leslie. So I'm supposed to like twist it like that and it explodes. So I'm gonna stand right here and then she'll be over there looking at the vacuum, but I'm gonna put it Leslie. All right, we're gonna show Leslie her new vacuum right now. Come on over.
Whoa.
This is...
I've never seen one like this.
So it has this base that it cleans up, every time you plug it in, it empties everything out and stores it inside.
You don't have to empty it anymore.
I will have to empty it sometimes.
Hardly.
Yeah, I don't know, like pull it out and see what you think about it.
Okay. Ooh, it's great.
Congratulations. It doesn't work. It doesn't work! I wanted to surprise you with the big happy explosion.
Okay, keep going. You looked really funny when I turned. I was like, Is there another one?
Don't.
That's gonna be a big mess, whatever is about to happen.
That would have been really fun.
Do you want me to try it? Maybe like pull it apart. It looks so fun.
It does look fun.
Well, I'm kind of glad it didn't explode.
It's pretty legit.
I wonder if you like puncture it.
Surgery.
Oh no.
Yeah! Congratulations! You have a vacuum!
Okay, that's not as bad as I thought. That was very festive.
Wow, that is a big mess.
Thank you.
Okay, Leslie, you look like a model with
you're
your stand-up
so nice.
vacuum over here.
So fancy.
Okay, so let me show you a couple things with this. So if you open up the sides, they store all of the tools that you might
my
need.
gosh.
So whether you're gonna vacuum your car or mop things,
That actually is amazing.
dog pet hair for the car, you have that stored on the side. Another thing is, say you're vacuuming a lot of stuff and you run out, you can come over here and just swap out. This is an extra battery to just put inside of it.
So with my current vacuum, I actually have to do part of the house and then go charge it for an hour and then come back and do the rest of the house.
Give it a shot. There's a button on the top, push power.
Power, sorry. This one.
All right, let's see if it'll pick up these things. Look how many are in there. And then look up in the basin. It's getting full.
Whoa!
Push that thing down.
Oh.
It pushes all the trash and squishes it on the bottom.
That's cool.
All the dust and everything, so that you have more room in the basin to get more stuff. So you don't even have to unload it as frequently.
That's awesome.
These are the Fruity Pebbles that LG sent us. Let's make a mess here. Okay, we've got them all over. Does that stress you out?
Yes, it stresses me out. Let's clean it up.
Can confirm that the vacuum does its job and vacuums up stuff. So right now I wanna show you guys how it goes in here. What I think is cool is that right here is where you would open up to empty the trash. And when you put it in here, it senses that this is in there and it physically opens up the port and has all of the air suction everything down into the bag. So now look how clean the basin is. This is a really cool feature. And yes, we know this is a vacuum, but it also can be a wet mop. You simply change out the attachments on the end, you put the dual spinning microfiber pads on there, and then you just use regular tap water. You don't have to have a special solution in there. And you could bring your hard floors to a perfect finish. So this is the first purchase. It's almost Cyber Monday, Black Friday, all of those big shopping days for the holidays. What are the things that the kids have asked for the holidays?
So Claire is really wanting a skateboard or a guitar. She wants to start guitar. She plays
I like
piano.
the guitar. I'm not as big a fan of the skateboard. I don't want her to get hurt.
I know. Lennon probably will want slime, books, just gift cards to like craft places.
Lincoln already is getting a car, which is just after the holidays. It's like his birthday is right around the holidays. So I kind of feel like, come on, it's a car. You got a car. That's your present that you're getting this holiday season. But we'll probably get him like some socks and underwear and a hat or something.
He'll be happy.
Maybe,
he loves socks and
maybe
hats,
a pair
actually.
of shoes. He has plenty of shoes.
We know what the kids want, so is there something that you want?
I would just like to maybe go on a fun trip somewhere. And then
That's great.
in lieu of presents, I would like to be able to give something to somebody else, like help a family out that maybe could use some extra money or use some presents. Like, we have a lot of things. We're very, very blessed, but do it anonymously. I don't really like it when we're like, hey, look what we did. Sometimes we do it and we'll give people things on the videos, but I like to do it anonymously. And if you would like to check this out and learn more and potentially get one as a gift for you or for somebody else, we'll put a link in the description. You can go check it out. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. I have a question for you that you can let us know in the comments. What are you asking for the holidays? Are there any presents that you're looking forward to? And then also, things are going to be limited supply across the board. I am pretty confident that things are gonna be harder to get this year. So what are some things that you should buy now instead of waiting for a few weeks? Let us know in the comments. I love having discussions and like hearing what you guys say. All right, then we're done. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. You don't wanna be stuck sitting there on Christmas morning and not have all of the gifts that you're planning on getting your loved one, your family member, or whatever. We also have a shirt. 00. Dear Hunter. That's what it says on it. That's funny. They did surgery on a grape, so
A crate?
A grape.
Oh, a crate. I know you're super sad.
It's pretty legit.